Setting up an Android device for work. Instruction for users for registering an Android device with Android Enterprise using the device owner QR code. Preparation. Ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection. Make sure that your device is sufficiently charged. Before you can start setting up, you must reset the device to the factory settings, then restart the device. Step 1. Tap the screen 7 times until a camera window opens. Scan the device owner QR code. This will be provided to you by your administrator. Step 2. If the administrator has pre-selected the Wi-Fi network, the device will now automatically connect to it. Otherwise, select the Wi-Fi network now. Step 3. The device now belongs to your organization. Tap on Continue. Step 4. The work profile is now set up on the device. Step 5. In your case, click on Business Use Only. Step 6. Now start setting up the phone and tap Next. Step 7. Your device is now a company device. Tap on Continue. Step 8. The MobiVisor app opens automatically. Tap on Done. Step 9. Accept the Google services to continue. Step 10. An app installation is not yet necessary here. Select Later at the top right of the screen to skip this step. Step 11. In the MobiVisor app, now select Set up Android Enterprise Environment. Step 12. You will automatically land in the system settings. Grant MobiVisor all permissions and then exit the menu with the arrow at the bottom right. Step 13. You will be redirected back to the MobiVisor app. You can log in using a QR code or password and username. This will be provided to you by your admin. For Samsung devices, you must now also activate the Samsung API after a successful registration. Thank you for watching. Any questions or are you in need of help? No problem, our team will gladly help you. Call us using +49 341 9916 0142 or write an email to mds@iotic.de.